Stop it!
Negative state, nothing further. Just getting near me in the corner.
Stop it!
19 Frogs in the central. 19 Sergeant check.
Stop it! Stop! Stop! Thank you very much.
Hello, friends! Look, all trains are having a good time. Oh, there are so many toy train tracks on the way. We have to arrange these tracks as per the picture. I think this track is wrongly placed. Let's check that in the picture. Oh yes, we need to change its position. Perfect now. All trains are happy and started to run on the track. Our airport is ready now. Now we will play small train tracks. Yippee! Our toy train set is ready according to the picture. It was a great fun. Bye-bye, Choo-choo train. We will start with the wheels. Now let's attach its body. The front wheels are smaller than the rear wheels. Aha! This is the front bucket. It is used to move the dirt. And here is the back bucket. It is used to dig the dirt. Hooray! Our toy JCB loader is ready. I am a JCB loader. Johnny and his friends want to plant a tree. Let's see how our JCB loader helps them.
Wow!
Thank you, JCB. Bye-bye.
Stop it.
Sergeant Central. Sergeant Central. 10 flight, 62, 1090. Callback rate, check, back up. Negative plane, nothing further, just kitty candy in the corner.
Stop it. Stop. Stop. Thank you very much.